Yeah man, so today, so regular weed for Senti. They are clean up. And you know, people them like to get a little difference. You can't everybody don't like you big bag, but everybody like smoke weed for a little Ethiopia so see eh? Nice and same man. But white ice. Kinda water down but can't go on, you see? If you build a battery for white and taste it, you can't just sell people weed and you don't know how it tastes. So yeah, clean up if you put some fibers back people them like it. 5 bills bag and Rasta. The camera good. See there? Yeah. So you know say 5 bills are regular, you know, so 4 gram. 4 gram on the scale. The man can comfortably, you see? The man can go and get a thing. And comfortable like that. Bag. Remember, you know, man, have a smoke for a little Ethiopia strains. Like, subscribe and share, you see it? Big up everything and load, one load everything. Regular cushion liters. Feel like you don't want nothing too strong to fuck up your day. Buy one bag of regular little Ethiopia, you see it? Small on drop leaf, you know, drop leaf they make it weed no taste. So nice, take it from the flavor. By the time we see some weed no nice, you know, just drop leaf pan we have to get rid of. You see? Yeah man. Yeah man, 5 bills bag, regular kush, little Ethiopia strains. Alright, we'll build up as before that now. So I make out a ton of AC. So I make out a yeah man, I rise up a YouTube channel now so. See you probably know with them a video. This is a problem with them a video, we don't like them as but it's Jamaica we live on. I've just go and support the local farmers them so they can get money. Turn up them things, you see? This is our 6 seed come out as a little body. And must have seed make THC. So we don't want no seed in the herb. When you assess how the herb, you have to assess how the herb better. So all the young Jamaica farmers them remember to assess how the herbs them better. So we don't get no seed. See? Is that? Little Ethiopia strains. Your ass are going to do a little more. Anybody the board? Your little Ethiopia pass through. Your ass are going a little more. I mean, it was white whistler, because I just look like white whistler. President Charoli have breakfast still, but white whistler we are use this time. Lion Pride. But fast. You know? Kitchen start to go on good. Food nice in the kitchen, and there's no man curry goat a while ago, you know. I want no Rasta curry goat, but I love curry goat, your bumbo cloud. And then I go read the Selassie I love goat too. And I Selassie I deal with. So, I love goat too. Alright. Lighter, donated by 12. Larry OG, you know. You have a nice flavor. Well, I wouldn't even believe it. So that's a cosplay film man and it's a regular. So if you come a little Ethiopia, grab a waga regular right now this week. Now take a long video until there's a flavor go on. We'll be soon that the wise come new. So tune in, little more. Remember, like, share and subscribe. Little Ethiopia. Up move here. We come on. See you up on the next clip, alright?